Hello, in this video let us solve for a. Our given question is 20 to the power of a plus 20 to the power of a is equal to 200. Let's start the solution of this question together from here. Okay, our given question is 20 to the power of a plus 20 to the power of a is equal to 200. Now I can common 20 to the power of a, so it become 1 plus 1 is equal to 200. In the next step, 20 to the power of a time 1 plus 1 equals 2 is equal to 200. Let us divide it both sides by 2. So 2 and 2 cancel with each other. It become 20 to the power of a is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 100s are 200s. In the next step, this is an exponential equation. Let us apply logarithm on both sides. So it become is. Now according to this rule, log p to the power of x is equal to x into log of p. We apply this rule on the above equation. It become a into log 20 is equal to log 100. Now let us divide it both sides by log 20. So here log 20 and log 20 cancel with each other. It become a is equal to log 100 divided by log 20. We can also write it as a is equal to log 100 can be written as log 20 times 5 divided by log 20. Now according to this rule of log m times n is equal to log m plus log n. Now we apply this rule on the above equation. It become a is equal to log 20 plus log 5 divided by log 20. Now let us separate log 20 on each term. So a is equal to log 20 divided by log 20 plus log 5 divided by log 20. Here log 20 cancel with log 20, and here a is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 20. Now we can also write this in this general form of logarithm. Log m divided by log n is equal to log m base n. If you enjoy the video, then please subscribe to the channel. We can now write this in this form: a is equal to 1 plus log 5 base 10. This is the, here is 20. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe to the channel for more this type of videos. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe the channel.